On Train the Trainer, it helps me be a better teacher, so then not only that, if I'm a better teacher, then I can train them better, so then a better product comes out from my area.
Oh, the big thing is interacting with the other instructors, finding out what's at their schools, even maybe some of the issues that they're facing and maybe some of the solutions that they've come up with.
Your net worth is your net worth, and then with that, as far as building up the relationships, as far as peers and also industry, anytime you can build that up, you're doing good.
If I had to describe Snap-on in one word, it would be excellence. Going through these Train the Trainers, you really get a feel for the tremendous engineering and the work, the value that they put into the tools, the equipment, into the master instructors for training, for certification, the support they give schools. Excellence would be my word for Snap-on.